Nikon D5200 Low Light Monster. ISO 6400, so clean you'll think it's full frame.
Picture this, golden hour exploding across the sky, my dog leaping for the frisbee, and my camera just hunts, misses, delivers mush. I stood there gutted, staring at a once-in-a-lifetime frame ruined forever. That pain ends the second the Nikon D5200 locks focus like it is angry at blur. What shot still haunts you because your gear betrayed you? Spill it in the comments.
That sting compounds fast, family moments turning into noisy regrets, travel photos that embarrass me, creative ideas dying because the gear cannot keep up. The burnout is brutal. The Nikon D5200 silently hands me surgical control. No drama, no excuses. Crisp 24-megapixel files, viciously accurate 39-point autofocus, and that flip screen that makes impossible angles feel effortless. I stop stressing and start creating again.
Meet the Nikon D5200, the camera that refuses to act its age. A 24.1 megapixel Toshiba DX sensor with no low-pass filter for vicious sharpness, an EXPEED 3 image processor, 39-point autofocus with 9 cross-type sensors and 3-dimensional tracking that actually works, 5 frames per second, ISO 1000 to 6400, clean to 3200, usable to 6400, expandable to 25600. Full 1080 progressive video at 60 interlaced frames per second, 30 progressive frames per second, and 24 progressive frames per second with continuous autofocus and an external microphone input, a fully articulating 921,000.3-inch screen, a built-in stereo microphone, high dynamic range mode, multiple exposure, 16 scene modes, special effects filters, an optical pentamirror viewfinder, and full compatibility with every autofocus silent wave Nikon lens ever made. Last month, Alex, a wedding shooter, was drowning, ceremony running late, light dying fast, old body hunting, heart in throat. He switched to the D5200 mid-vows, instant lock, a 5 frames per second burst, flip screen down low for rings, ISO 6400 files, so clean the couple ordered 30 by 40-inch canvases that look medium format. One body turned panic into portfolio gold.
The payoff is ridiculous. I get ruthless detail that lets me crop 50% and still print billboard sharp. Colors so rich, clients ask what filter I used. Answer: none. Dynamic range that recovers blown skies and crushed shadows like nothing else under $1,000. Autofocus that tracks toddlers and birds in flight without apology. Video that still looks cinematic in 2024. A reviewer from Imaging Resource said the D5200 sensor produced the highest resolution and dynamic range we had ever measured in an APS-C digital single-lens reflex camera. A 400,000 subscriber YouTuber calls it the hybrid king I still reach for when the job has to be perfect. DxOMark scored at 84, beating many full-frame cameras released years later. One forum user posted side-by-side RAW files against a brand-new $1,299 mirrorless and asked, which is which? Nobody could tell. Worried about the learning curve or missing built-in Wi-Fi? Guide Mode teaches better than most paid courses, and the $30 WU1A adapter gives me wireless transfer anyway. Thousands of us still shoot this old body daily because nothing touches the files. Drop your jaw-dropping D5200 shot link below. I want to see it. Join the quietly obsessed cult of shooters, wedding pros, travel addicts, parents, wildlife hunters who discovered the Nikon D5200 delivers richer colors, sharper detail, and more reliable focus than cameras costing triple. They are making money, winning awards, and filling walls with prints that stop people dead. Real photographers, real results, zero hype. If I am done settling for almost good enough photos, the link is right in the description. Click it, grab one, and watch photography finally match the vision in your head. You will not just upgrade your gear, you will upgrade your entire creative life.